I got you. Say less. What's the word, YouTube, man? Motherfuckers back at Killeen out here with my boy. You feel me? Stop playing over there. I should have got it when I was with Ryan, but we go get him in a minute. Yeah, we definitely is. Hold on. Let me see. Oh, I got something for you. It's right here.
You guys might be copyrighted now.
I mean, we gonna get copyrighted regardless, but we back in Killeen, you feel me, for the little weekend. But I'm gonna keep y'all posted, you feel me. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and we finna keep it rolling, just like that. Yeah. This joint's tough. We got some joints in here. Roger. And this Killeen little joint got some shit in here. But everybody, well, they look like they would do.
Hey, you can't say my truck don't go hard in here.
Yeah, the light making the paint glitch off that motherfucker. They got this Ghostbusters ass car. That's what it look like. That bit. I feel like it belongs to Safari or something. They love them fucking motherfuckers. Look at that. Oh, look at that red one right there. It looked good from the other side, but yeah, I see. You got switches in there. That little ass steering wheel.
Gas tank painted too.
It look decent. That's that about it. Except that little charger right there.
So what?
Yeah, that's damn near the decent. The out of ordinary car that's in besides that charger. This little loud motherfucker.
That Honda Civic, you already know he was gonna go crazy.
Well, he love these Hondas.
You never seen a white person before.
Is they handing out trophies or something? They got an RC car on the road.
Yeah, they got RC car race league.
This bitch nasty. Those are little Hondas and Hondas. So what? got some decent shit. They ain't never finna bring that bitch in here. You finna bring this tongue up ass car in here. I guess he is. He bold.
I know you want 150 for this one.
Yeah, this bitch clean. You think he got bags on it or it just ride like that?
You got that.
Yeah. 1959. Inside this bitch clean too. Well, that's damn near all the cars that's in here. Yeah, we gonna keep it rolling though. We gonna see what's else in here. Well, that'll come in here.
Out west at it again, mama.
Dry. In my eyes, they like clean like this. This bitch decent though.